Hey, what's up? Long time no see, I'm Sami. Today, let's take a look at the Redmi's newest flagship phone, Redmi K20 Pro. In this video, I'm gonna cover the design, camera performance, hardware performance, and our conclusion. Special thanks to the iPhone Tech channel. Please go and check out, link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. The K20 Pro has three colors: flame red, glacier blue, carbon black. What we got is a flame red one. Let's take a close look. The back is perfectly symmetric. Triple rear camera in the middle. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The pop-up camera here on my device seems uneven, and I assume it's the prototype reason. The official version should have no problem. Without notch, without sliding design, this looks much more comfortable than the previous Mi phones in my opinion. The official data shows that the screen to body ratio is 91.9%. The chin was processed by COF sealing technology that's only 3.8mm. The thickness of the phone is 8.8mm. With 191 grams, it feels just great. About the screen, I've just listed the specs on the screen. It's just basically a Mi 9 phone screen without notch. What do you guys think about it? For the in-display fingerprint scanner, which after our test is fast and secure, that's enough. For the pop-up camera, it erases in 0.8 seconds, and you can see the halo effect on the camera module. It's cool. Oh, another thing I want to mention is there is a small circle on top of the pop-up camera, which used as an indicator. You may wonder how many times this thing can pop up. Well, Xiaomi told me 300,000 times. You can use that for several years. And the selfie camera sports a sapphire glass cover, which comes with a drop protection mechanism. Now move to the camera. The K20 Pro features a 30MP super wide angle lens, a 48MP main camera IMX586 lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens. Here we compared with iPhone XS Max. For K20 Pro, we turn on Alt HDR and AI scenario detection. Check out. For night photos, if you turn on night mode on K20 Pro, you will have a fantastic result. For the selfie camera, the performance is okay, you just need to wait for a few seconds for the camera to pop up. I want to mention there is an interesting feature, which is the selfie panorama. For the video recording, please stay subscribed on my channel. We'll release more original footage about it. Comment below with what you want to watch. The K20 Pro is equipped with the Snapdragon 855. My device has 8GB plus 256GB of ROM compilation. The Android benchmark scores up to 368K. That's amazing. Of course, this performance is for K20 Pro, not for the K20 phone, which is equipped with the Snapdragon 730 processor. As for gaming, we set it to gaming mode in PUBG. The average frame rate is 39 FPS and a fluctuation of 0.93, which is quite stable. The official said the K20 Pro adopts double-sided stereo cooling system. You can see the heat distribution of the front and back after one PUBG game. The highest temperature was 37 Celsius on the back and 38.3 Celsius on the front, which is not bad. The battery is 4000 mAh, which supports 27 wattage wide fast charge, but comes with a standard 18 wattage charger. The major charging curve is as follows. From 10% to 100%, it takes 75 minutes. The average charging efficiency is 48 mAh per minute. For other features like NFC, the stereo speakers, stressor, I strongly suggest you to check out at our partner iPhone Text channel. I've already left the link in the description. That's it guys. Should you have any questions about the K20 Pro, please leave a comment below and stay subscribed. I'm Sami. See you next time.